Hey there guys, Chet here. Look, I'm gonna need you to stop thinking of a prototype as just a series of clickable pictures. A real prototype should feel like a real app. It should respond to your phone's camera, use variables, and have complex animations. Now to do that, you need a specialist tool. That specialist tool is called ProtoPie. It is one of the most powerful high-fidelity prototyping platforms in the world, used by designers at companies like Google and Microsoft. In this video, we're going to do a quick review of ProtoPie to see how it can bring your designs to life. So let's start with what ProtoPie is. It's a dedicated and advanced prototyping application for both Windows and Mac. It is not a tool for creating your visual designs from scratch. Its main job is to take your finished designs from a tool like Figma or Sketch and add a layer of hyper-realistic interaction and animation on top of them. Its purpose is to create a prototype that is so close to the final product, your users will not be able to tell the difference. Its biggest strength is its ability to create these truly realistic experiences without needing to write code. It uses simple conceptual models of objects and triggers that is easy for designers to understand. ProtoPie's best features are the ones that connect your prototype to the real world. It can access your phone's hardware like the camera, microphone, and gyroscope. This allows you to build prototypes that can, for example, take a picture or respond when you tilt the phone. It also allows you to use variables and conditional logic. Now this, as you may know, is a game changer. It means that you can build prototypes that remember a user's choices, perform calculations, and change their behavior based on what the user does. You can create truly dynamic prototypes like a functioning shopping cart or a realistic login screen that feel just like a coded app. All right, let's talk about the price. ProtoPie has a free plan that is great for learning the tool for very small projects. It lets you have up to 2 prototypes and includes a limited amount of cloud storage. To unlock its full power for professional work, you're going to need a free plan. The basic plan is $25 per editor per month and is great for freelancers. Now their most popular plan is the Pro plan. It's $47 per editor per month and gives you unlimited prototypes and many more features. They also have a custom price enterprise plan for large organizations that need advanced security and their own private server. That pricing is aimed at serious professional designers and teams. So what is my final review? If you only need to create a simple click-through presentation, other tools are faster. But if you need to create a truly realistic, high-fidelity prototype that feels and functions like a final application, ProtoPie is one of the most powerful and essential tools a modern designer can learn. All right, that's it for this review. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.